Hello, it's Greg. Some time ago we have heard news about the development of new IFC, the IFC5, and there were different articles on the LinkedIn focusing on different aspects of the format. But I want to really loudly say big thanks, big kudos to Building Smart organization that they are trying to make this development more public, that there is the repository on the GitHub when there are sample files, when there is the schema of proposed new format. And what's more interesting is a free course which is available on the Canvas, and as far as you know, anyone can just join and try to better understand the basic concepts of the IFC5. And yeah, I have to finish it, but okay. There is even a free viewer, which you can just place the new IFC5 file and see it in the web browser. So let's try to do it. So now the content of that IFC was composed and it is visible. And yeah, that's the JavaScript stuff which is going under the hood. But I just had a thought that, okay, let's try to better understand what is going on. What is the main difference with the IFC4 and the IFC5? And to do it, I decided that, okay, let's try to write the reader. At the very beginning, it will be the reader, and it will be written in .NET. That's my basic language. And there is the public repo, which I have created. And what is inside? We have the reader, but also we have the importer for the Rhino, because yeah, we can parse the JSON file, but hey, how does it look? So when you will download that repo and try to open the Rhino 8 with that new import, then you will see that you can import a new file and pick one of those IFC-X. This is the first naming convention for that file, and here it is. The same wall as from the sample. And of course, those objects, they have some properties as they have in the viewer from the Building Smart. But yeah, the layer composition, maybe it's not the best. It doesn't reflect well in the Rhino, but yeah, the general concept is there. So you can import those files into the Rhino. So if we will now try to import the additional file, which is coming from a different source, I will tell it about a little later. So for example, let's get that building. This is in a completely different scale, but here we have the file coming from SketchUp. As far as I know, what is that mesh? This is that. Okay, let's move it, and then we will see some kind of a house, and also there are some different samples like those bridge, the whole bridge. Here it is. So here it is, and the road and all of that stuff. So you can grab that importer and check it on your own in the Rhino. But what is the most interesting for me is the development process. So there will be the separate video focusing mainly on the reader. So, okay, so what does it mean to read the IFC file? What is the difference? And yeah, I will try to move about those concepts in the next material. So, thanks for now.